Hello, is my voice audible to everyone? Yes, no. Uh, yes, just let me know in the chat. Sorry, just I'm unable to access the chat. Yes, no. Just for a quick confirmation. All right. So let's get started. So today, what we'll be doing is we'll be covering uh, the day two, the very practical session. So we'll be conducting everything, the practical and all stuff. So are you guys ready with your laptop and all? So let me share the screen. Expo X. All right. So this is where we need to do for the initial setup. All right. So how many of you have the screen is shared? It will be shown in your. Uh, all right. Hi. Good evening. So how many of you are ready for the live session? Yes. No. How many of you are ready? Yes. If you are ready, just write ready in the chat. All right. So open your VS Code. All right. Open the VS Code app. And if you have the browser, so here what we'll be doing is we'll be using expo today for the for project today. So there are a few benefits of expo which we have already discussed in our session. All right, so we'll go deeper into it and let's build the app. Hello. Sorry, I got disconnected somehow. All right. Is it audible right now? Yes. Are you able to watch the session? Yes. No. Sorry. Yeah. All right. So let's get started. So what we'll be doing is, everyone, go to the following website. This Expo. Yes. So in the Expo, go to the doc section. Okay. And in the doc section, just give me a minute. Yeah. Here, this is a command to get started. Okay, this is a very initial command to get started with the development process. Okay, copy it, then open the VS Code. Okay, so, and before this, I hope you guys have your node installed. Yes, able to download Expo VS Code sir yesterday. Why I wasn't expecting an npx commands. Okay, npx command wasn't working in my VS Code. Unable to download VS Code. Okay, so yesterday, like how many of you have already tried installing the VS Code? Yes. Is this command not working? So currently, I have some issues also at my end. Just give me a minute. Let me create, open the. Let me share the screen. So I'm just telling you which command you need to apply. So there is some issue with the internet, but no worries. So this is the command. Okay, you need to install use npx create expo app atlas test. Is it the command which you have tried? Yes, no in the chat. Yes, exactly. Is this a command? Like how many of you have tried and in this command you have faced issues? Yes. Anyone who is facing issues with this command? So yes, it was, but still it wasn't working. Okay, so I'm just giving you a heads up. Okay, I'm just giving you a heads up. You need to have all of this before starting. So basically, check your npm version. Okay, check your npm version if it is all right or not, and do what you can do is before installing that. What you can do is just you can globally install npm, the command that is mentioned here, npx I npx. Okay, npm space I space npx. Make sure the node is already installed. What is the difference between react js and react native? We have already covered the session. So basically what you can do is, it is how you render the component and what components you basically render. Okay, all of this are basically dependent. So basically when you are coding in react native, we use javascript like thing in React.js, but instead of rendering the HTML element, here we are rendering the native mobile element. So there are a lot of differences out there. I think your doubt is clear, Nautic. Yeah. So for the initial setup, this is the first command. Okay, documentation we can install in VM. Yes. So basically, this is what you need to get started. Okay. The first basic command, let me try. It will take time because my internet speed is slow here right now. All right, so you can give the app name which you want. Here there will be few errors and I will be telling you what error is. So like calculator, or what you can say is let's food discovery. All right, so while it is getting installed, what I'll be doing is I will be sharing you. So basically, today's session I'll be telling you how, like you do not need to jump directly every time when the code is assigned or a task is assigned to do. So what you need to do is you need to do have few hygiene you need to maintain while the development process is going on. Okay, so I think this link is there with everyone, but still what I'll do is I will share you with you in the chat. Okay, The team will also share, and I am also sharing. All right. Yeah, that can. So yeah, so things you need to do. So before developing or directly jumping into the app, so since what we'll be doing, what we are building right now is we will be building a food discovery app. Okay, so before directly jumping to the app, there are few tools in which you can develop a prototype of the app. Okay, and in which you can create a basic high level design. So while it is installed, let me tell you how to do that and how to think do a high level diagram of everything. So let's say this is our mobile app. Okay, this is what it will look like. Okay, and in this mobile app, at the very top, okay, so visualize something like we will be having a search bar right here. So this is how our app will look like. Okay, so this is how here this is for search operation. Okay, just I'm just marking it, which will have a search tag and all stuff. This is for the searching of different restaurant and all stuff. Okay, it is somewhat you can like this is like food discovery, or what you can say restaurant discovery app. Okay, so what we'll be doing, so here under it, so this will be the search, and below this will be having the special offer banner. So what will be special offer section? Okay, and under the special offer section will be having small offer container box, okay, or banner kind of stuff, smaller banner kind of stuff, which will operate with the slide operation. Okay, so here which will operate with the slide operation. So there will be multiple. So this will have so different kind of images with different kind of offers and all the stuff. Okay, are you able to understand? Yes, no in the chat quickly. Yes. So this is how we can, before directly jumping into the app, you need to have visualize what we are going to do. Under this, there will be different category of the restaurant. Okay, that we can anyone mention like what category of restaurant we have? Anyone yes, anyone who can mention. So let me just copy it. We can also specify like what will be the font size, what will be the length and breadth of everything right here. Category. Okay. Under category, what will be happening? We have certain kind of icon, which this for the pub. Okay, this icon is for pub. We can have one more category of restaurant like restaurant. Okay, can have something like what we can have is, so similarly we can have something like quick bites, QSR kind of stuff. Okay, so accordingly, wage only kind of category. So all of this category will be displayed right here. Okay, under this, after this category, we'll be having another more section right here in this particular app, which is what you can say as popular. Sorry, popular restaurants. Okay, under this popular restaurant, will be again having different kind of banners. Banners will be having different kind of cards. Okay, so here in this particular card, the initial of this card, we will have an image kind of stuff, which is a full page kind of. Not this. Let's add a divider. In the upper circuit, we'll be having a image of the restaurant. Okay, this will be a image that represent the particular restaurant. Okay, voice break. Okay, sorry. Let me check. Is it clear right now? Just for the quick confirmation, just give me a quick confirmation. Is the audio clear right now? Yes, is it breaking? Anyone? Not visible. Uh, Anyone who is facing difficulty in the screen share or visibility? Anyone right there? Not showing clear. Okay, I'm getting clear. One clear. Others? Yes, sir. Your voice is clear. Guys, those who are facing difficulty in the voice and all, just try to check your internet connections and all, because I'm getting a few of them are able to clearly. Yeah, clear. Okay, perfect. Thank you for the confirmation. So, guys, those who are facing difficulty, just try to rejoin or something kind of stuff. Okay. All right. So here, what we are doing is this is how the layout looks like. Okay. So you can use different. There are different. You can use Figma. You can use Xcode. So those who are very new to those apps, so I'm just giving you a basic tool. You can use this particular website to understand the stuff. Okay. So then in this popular restaurant, what we gonna have at the very initial, we will be in each individual card. Okay. So we'll be having the name. Okay, name of the restaurant. Let me. Okay, after the name, what we're gonna have is the description, a short description. Okay, it's a short description of the restaurant, like what it is all about, just to get people know about the restaurant and all stuff. Okay, then uh, here we can add like the ratings. Okay, like if the restaurant is like 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, the rating kind of stuff, we can add the ratings right here. Okay, and after that we can add a button right here to like order. So so the size will be, okay. So this is, so basically similarly we'll have multiple restaurant card. Okay. So this is how. So what you can do is you can do the similar kind of stuff using your pen and paper. Okay. Or you can directly do it. Okay. Okay. So many of you are saying you are facing difficulty in installation. So what are the error? Can you tell me, share the errors? What you are exactly getting? Yes. Anyone? Hmm. I don't know what is happening. Yes, still, is there any issues? Like a delay kind of stuff. Just try to rephrase it. Yes, guys. So here open the VS Code, okay, and run the command. What you can do is you can use the VS Code, and you can also use the PowerShell. Okay, can anyone tell me what exactly you are facing the issues? Okay, what exact issues you guys are facing? Yes, can anyone tell me? What is the exact error code? You just write in the chat. Okay, so in case you are facing the error code, make sure the npm, check the version. Okay, verify a few things you need to check. Verify the node.js is installed, npm is installed, node package manager is installed or not. Check, verify the versions and all, and then you can just do the npm installation and initialize the project. Okay, so this is, so then this is a command. Once you are done with this command, the next setup thing is this, you need to go. Okay, make a note of this also, guys. Is the screen visible to everyone? Okay. I'm telling you one by one. You guys need to complete. Okay. The term NPX is not recognized. Okay. Ritesh, are you using VS Code? Okay. Okay. Let me fix your doubt first. One by one, I'm covering all your doubts. So let's come with the first. The term NPX is not recognized. So in case your NPX is not recognized, okay, ensure that the path environment, okay, where you are typically where the npm is installed, okay, there you need to go to the settings, okay, and we need to modify the environment variables, okay. One thing you need to do, or if or other step, what you can do is, I'm sharing a comment right here on the screen, here, just use npm global npm install g npm to reinstall the npm globally, okay. So reinstall npm. If we are using a older version of node.js, update it into a latest lts version, okay. So few things, those who are getting error, what are the things you guys need to do. So if you are using a older version of this npm, what you can do is, you can update to the latest LTS version, okay. And if you have multiple version of Node.js, okay, so there is a chance where you might have different version of Node.js in your computer installed. So make sure you uninstall the older version, okay, and use the correct version, okay, latest version, okay. If you are not able to, if you are able to resolve the following error successfully, then you can use the npx command in your expo native app. Till then, you might get the error in building your app, okay. Clear? The doubt is clear. So delete the older version, clear the npm cache. To clear the npm cache also, there is a command which I am sharing. Just give me a minute. Npx. Okay, let me give you a quick thing, like what you need to do to basically clean up your app. Okay, search for the command. I am also sharing a document. Okay, at the end of this session, I'll be sharing also how to clear the cache. Okay, so that no repository is left. Delete the updated version. Use the latest version, and then what we can do is, let's come to the next step. Okay, so first you need to once, even if doing this, even if it is not resolved, let me know. Make sure you have this jdk installed. That is not necessary, but if it is, then fine, okay. Then create expo. This command is for current directory, okay. This command is for current directory. And let me share with you this another command which is already there on the this documentation. Let me share this documentation in the chat. The team will also share with you, okay, the link which is necessary right here. Yeah, so go to this documentation page, okay, and then once the step one is done, okay, this is the step one, you can just start npx expo start, okay, and check if it is working and all. Then what you can do is, so the what I'll do is, after while this session I will be sharing a Google Sheet, okay. What you can do is, uh, like after the session, those who are having any doubt or any queries, you are stuck somewhere, so this is a comment which you need to like you need to check it npx expo start. You can start running the project. Once that is done, okay, you need to run this particular command. So what I'll do is, let me check if I have already installed like updated project right here or not. And please update the latest LTS version, okay. Mm, this session will continue till more 15 minutes and will end the session right here. Okay, well, and today we'll be having a shorter since you have initial issues. So try to fix these issues in today's session. Then I'll tell you about the today is all about the initial setup. I'll tell you the initial setup. Please complete this so that in the next class we can build the whole app from the very beginning. Okay, so I'm telling you all the step. Okay, this is, let's leave this one for now. Okay, we'll walk through every folder one by one. I'll tell you, I'll go through the folders and I'll show you what are the files that will be already generated after you do the installation. Okay, so let me share the screen. Just give me a minute. So once you are done with the installation part, okay, you will have something like this on your screen. Let me share my VS Code. Okay, is it visible? So here we have this app, inside it tabs, underscore layout, and all of the stuff you can see. So here there are few things we do not need. We do not need all this boilerplate and all stuff. Inside the script we have this particular script which is reset project, and we have the packagization, the script to run the particular file, export, start, and all. Okay, so what you can do is, so is are you done till this particular part? So here what we'll do is, we do not need this basic boilerplate. Okay, there is another catch I'll be telling you. We do not need all of this basic boilerplate. So we need to fix this. Okay, we need to fix this. I will share the screen. How many of you have already generated this particular code? I don't know why the screen is not getting shared. Just give me a minute. It is automatically. Let me just give me a minute. Uh, okay. So till then, you can just let me know in the confirmation. Please implement the code. Implement code. Yeah. If install all the packages. Yeah, I have already installed. So I have already installed. So that's why you are able to see all of this. So that's why I showed you the glance of everything right here. So here, once the installation is done, so this is the next step. What you need to do. Are you done with the installation? How many of you are done with the installation, and still how many of you are facing issues? Because this is the command which you need to apply. Because just give me a minute. Let me rejoin again. Yeah. Now you can see the screen. Yeah. So once the installation is done till this particular part, you will check this installation is already also done at my end. So that's why in the packages you are able to see expo router and all this stuff. So if you remember, so this is the important thing to understand, like why we are using this. Okay. So few of the packages we are installing and why these dependencies are important. Okay. First one we are installing after the initial app, we are installing expo install. So this is basically this includes the file-based routing capabilities. You know, those who have routing, how to move from one to another step. The routing thing is this for the React Native step space. Uh, as I have already mentioned before, this will help to make our app work in all the different safe spaces. Like if we have any notch, if you have the home screen, all of this will be carefully observed, and accordingly our content will be displayed correctly. Even if we have any kind of hardware uh, like limitations and all. The same we have this React Native screens. Basically, this will be used to navigate through like different components. Okay, sorry. This expo linking will be also used by us. Then expo constant, okay, and the status bar. So this constant also will give us informations about all the lot of device informations. Like many of the app we need the information about the OS, the ID from which we are getting. So here also in this particular project I will show you live how to enable Google login in your particular app. Okay, how to do. So tomorrow we'll be doing that, the login with Google and all the stuff. We will also I will also tell you like how to uh, navigate from one place to another, how to if you how to integrate Firebase along with the app. So these are the all of the things which we'll be covering in the practical. So since you are not ready with the setup, so I'm just helping you out. So try to install this, copy this command. Okay, I'm just sharing this command is the second one which is right here. Copy the command. I have already shared the screen like this particular website. And then what I'm doing is I'm sharing a sheet like where if you have any kind of issues, just let me know. So we'll end the session today early a bit. uh, okay, and there are few more things you need to do the cleanup. So how to do the initial cleanup, that code also I'm telling you. I'm also writing here, and also I will be showing you in the VS Code. Okay, so this is the particular line of code to do the. So here what we'll be doing is we do not need the boilerplate. Okay, in case you do not need all the, if you do not need the boilerplate, in which we do not need npm run reset project. I have already done this. Okay, in the command line I'm showing you right here. If still you are unable to do, I'll do a fresh project again. So this is already done. This installation will take time. So to make the things faster, so I'm just showing you right now so that we can directly jump into the code. So that is the basic reason. But still if you are unable to understand, just let me know right here. If you have knowledge, then it is well and good. There is no hard and fast rule. But if you have knowledge, there are few things like but I will tell everything in details. There is no need to worry. But still if you are facing the issues, just let me know. Like some of the React terms I will go in details. Okay, so I'm sharing you a Google sheet. Just be there. Name okay. I'm sharing a folder. All right. So here, what you can do is, which part you are having doubt or questions, I will respond right there. And this is like a repository, like where all of your doubts. So I'm sharing with the team also. I'm also sharing to you guys. Okay, just go through that link, particular link. Okay, fill the doubt which you have. Okay, the questions which you have, and all the answers I will be writing. You can just, if you anyone who have whose doubts is clear or who is well aware of the answer, you can just fill it up, or I will also fill it up with my answers. Okay, just write your name and questions directly. Also, no need to fill other things. Just write where you are exactly stuck, okay, and what error you are, what command you have typed, and what error exactly you are getting, so that I can help you guys in resolving your doubts. Okay. I have done the installation part of the app, but it's showing me all the packages app asset script. What we need to do explain. Yeah. All right. So once you are done with that particular app, we need to you need to type one more command, okay, which I am telling right now, which is to remove the boilerplate. So write npm run reset project. So this will reset our project and click enter. A new app directory will be created and a new file will be created. Okay. This is what you need to do. So okay, the edit is not allowed. Just give me a minute. Mm, okay, now edit is allowed. Okay, now you can edit. You can add. Okay, you can add your questions. Yeah, the edit option is already share. Okay, so so let's go to the individual pages component and let me explain which what is what. Okay, just give me a moment. Let me open the current directory. How many of you are done with the reset part? Npm reset, npm run reset. Okay, once you are done with the reset, you will let me share the VS Code screen. Okay, once you are done with the reset project, uh, yeah, once you are done with the reset project, you will see a folder something like this app example. And okay, we have, this is the result page for our application. Okay, and we have import for the text view from the React Native, and inside the view we have the text, and these are the styling which we have explained you previously. You can directly define your style directly right here. So this is a old app. Then we have a asset folder. We can create all our font, images, all the images that we need to build the app. I'll share you a drive link which will be having all the resources today. Tomorrow I'll be sharing a GitHub link where you can download all the assets for this particular project. Okay. So we'll be dividing our app into small components which we can reuse it and manage it in the seamlessly. So there we'll be adding all our components right here. Then in the constant we have some constant values right here, like the light, dark. Here you can define the themes. We can define our theme, which will be also playing around with the colors, like light mode, dark mode. We can say like ordered mode and different wage mode, non-wage mode. There we can do hooks. I'll be explaining you. We'll be developing few more hooks. Then in the script part, uh, this is important. This and then we have this app. We have the name of the file. This log, okay, this log part is like the URL friendly name. Okay, this log is the URL friendly name, and here you can just update the version, like what is the version of the app. This is the icon in the asset. We will learn how to change the icon, the images, splash screen images, and all. For the Android, we have the Android icon, the background, the icon image. Here also, if you want for the iOS, you can add the for the iOS also, and this is for the web. In the website, we have the fab icons and all. So this is what the URL of it. So this is all about your app.json. We have .package.json, where all of the dependencies you have installed will be displayed right here. If you have everything will be displayed right here. Okay, so the development dependencies and all. So this is a basic quick like what you can through is a walkthrough, and slowly while developing we'll go everything in details. Okay, so till then what you can do is, and two important extension I am telling you to install: ES7 React Redux. Okay, React slash Redux. So this is the extensions you need to install for this project. Okay, and install this. Okay, this is the extension, VS Code extension you need to install. Okay, so basic setup part you just completed today. Okay, the screen is not shared. I don't know why this browser screen is not getting shared. Yeah, so this is the screen which you need to install. Okay, star code, like where you are facing the issues, like your site or app user not found. Is it on the let's upgrade link, attendance link over? Okay, my doubt is npx is not accepted by my VS Code. So okay, not even a single command of what you showed, sir, is not accepted. Okay, for that, is npm have you done with the npm installation? If you have done, just reinstall it. Use the updated version npm node and all stuff. And you need to check the environment variable. Okay, take a screenshot and share in the doubt section. Okay, guys, what I'm seeing is try to not able to do it on VS Code. Yes. So okay, I will share run project, which app extension or resources needed or link. Okay, the resources, and what I'm doing is I'm sharing this sheet right here, the sheet which I'm showing you on the screen. I will share this sheet right here. We'll get all the information about the installation. Okay, from that your doubt will be fixed. Okay, and the Dhwani, you have installed the npx command is not accepted in VS Code. For that also I'm sharing all of the resources. Okay, so guys, try to complete everything installation and others. So share all of your doubts and share all of your error codes, what error you're getting. We will fix this today, and tomorrow we can start fresh with the app. And what I can do is come up with everything installed. Okay, so that tomorrow you are ready to go with the project. Okay, make sure your installation is done correctly. You can see at the left hand side all your like app dependencies, all the packages are installed. Okay, if you are not, if any at any instance you are facing any difficulty, the again I'm share the excel sheet is shared. Just try to update your uh, doubts. Okay, and along with the error code, what errors you are getting. If the error code you are unable to send, take a screenshot, update it somewhere, and just put it right here. So I'll write the answer right here so that it will be easier for everyone to like anybody, any other people around in this particular session is having any doubt, your doubts will be cleared. Okay, you can connect there and resolve it. So basic thing, you hygiene, what you need to be done, I have already mentioned here. So in case other than that you are facing any issues, just let me know. All right, so I think we will end the session today early. Uh, Before that, I'll be sharing today the resources. Please go through this, okay, and try to complete the installation so that from tomorrow's class the npm error is everything is fixed. Okay, okay, I will share this detail. Okay, I'm sharing this detail right now. So that's it for today. We'll be ending the session right here, and from tomorrow, guys, do come up with this. So we will start that, and I want everyone to also come up with the idea what else we can build on. So this will build on day one tomorrow, and in the next class we'll complete the next. Okay, so try to complete this and see you tomorrow then. So that's it for today. All right, and all the doubts in the excel sheet I will be sharing. Okay, or else what I'll be doing is I will be sharing in the doc file, a document file where you can where the team will be sharing you with all the issues we are having and how to get it resolved. Even in the answer field I will write how to get it fixed. Okay, so that's it for today, and guys, do come up early tomorrow so that, yeah, about the emulator installation also I will share the details. Okay, step by step details. Okay, so if you have get benefited of the session from the session, just hit a like, and I will share everything in details. Just stay tuned. So that's it for today. Good night, everyone.